Hello friends, in this video we will see how we could create an Android splash screen using splash screen API, how we could create an adaptive icon in Android Studio itself. First, we will create a new Android Studio project. Click empty view activity, next language Kotlin, name splash screen app, then finish. If you have a ready-made app icon for splash screen, then you could directly drop it in drawable folder. Drawable folder is inside resource folder. We will create an app icon in Android Studio itself. Right click in the resource directory, new image asset. Here icon type launcher icons, adaptive and legacy. Name IC underscore splash underscore screen. When the foreground layer is selected, in asset type image, click on path. I have a downloaded Instagram icon. We'll select it. In the scaling resize, we need to make the icon small so that it comes inside the circle like this. In the background layer tab, we will change the background color of the icon. Click the asset type color radio button. I will give white color. In the foreground layer, we'll make the icon little smaller by dragging the resize. Click next. Here you could see for different screen size in multiple map folders, there would be different splash screen icon versions. Finish. In map NEDPI V26, if we double click IC splash screen, we could see it is an adaptive icon. Now we will go to the app level build.gradle file and we'll add splash screen API dependency. From the Android official documentation, we will copy the dependency. I have given the link of the documentation in the description. After pasting the dependency, we will click on sync now button. In the values folder, we have colors.xml file. Here we could create a new color for splash screen background. Background color white, bg underscore splash underscore screen. Now we will go to the values folders theme.xml file. We will write a new style for the splash screen. Style name theme.app.starting, parent theme.splash screen, item Windows splash screen background @color bg underscore splash screen. In item Windows splash screen animated icon, if you have a ready-made icon placed in drawable folder, then you need to give the path of the image that is in drawable folder. Here our icon is in map folder. So @mipmap/IC underscore splash underscore screen, then item post splash screen theme. Here we need to give the theme of the activity which will come to view after the splash screen, theme.splash screen app. The style theme.app.starting we will use in Android manifest launcher activity. Android theme @style/theme.app.starting. Now in the main activity before super.onCreate, we need to call the method install splash screen. So that's it. We are done with the code. We will go to the main activity layout file and the text from hello world we will change to launcher activity. Text size 30 sp. I will run the app in real mobile device through USB cable. This is how the splash screen looks. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.